Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Addison of Property Hunter Ghana. Today, I am on the hills of Kwabenya. If you look here, the road are all tar, so you have tar road from right in front of your house straight to the center of Accra. So this one very well planned area. The houses here are really nice ones, and this is a 4-bedroom house that has been newly built. In fact, the house is still under construction, and then this one also belongs to the same person. The same thing is being put up here. Some people say, Mr. Addison, why don't you wait for the house to be completed before you do the video? The simple answer is, by the time this thing is fully completed, this house will be sold. And I can bet you by the time I finish putting this thing up very soon, it will be sold. So these houses are hot cake with the market right now. So right in front of the house, you have some greenery here, and you can see the roof, as I said, is tarred. And this, well, what we have in the yard is stamped concrete. So this is concrete that they've stamped, and it almost looks like tires. Really nice one. And you have some space for your gardening here. They've started planting the plants in there, and you have some plants, grass planted around the house already, and you have the space left to plant some grass here. This is a modern 4-bedroom house that is out for sale. I would like you to see the master bedroom, huge master bedroom that I'll show you. There is nothing spectacular around the house, so I will just show you the side and side. So the side have good space. It's not squeezed at all. You know what? Let me just go there and show you what it's like. Kapush, come and let's pass here. So let's go around the house and show you how the house looks like, or around it looks like. The wiring has been done, so it's just left to fix in the lighting fixtures. And before we go around the house, this is a borehole. So a borehole has been drilled right in the center of the house, and then it will be pumped. There is a poly tank at the top there that the water will pump to the poly tank, so you won't have to pay water bill when you are here. You have your borehole and everything. The metering system, the meter has been fixed already. So, and you have this lighting fixture under this. When it is done, it will be really nice in the evening. So let's go around and see what it's like. So the side of the house, really good space. Yeah, probably about 5 to 7 feet. Good space here. And what we have here is the septic tank under construction. I think we have 2 septic tanks under construction there. There's another one there. And then this is the back of the house. Okay, so let's go inside and see what we have. So this house, as I said, it's almost completed. Mostly what is left is the lighting fixtures, the cabinetries and things like that, but it's almost completed. And the price is a really good price, I can tell you for a fact, because if such a house was in a place like East Legon or something like that, you are looking at around $400,000. But for this place, it's almost half the price. So let's see what we have. This is your main entrance, and you have a very spacious living dining area with a huge oversized window looking outside. So you have that huge oversized window, and the lighting fixtures is being put in place. So there is no light currently because the fixtures hasn't been completed. So some of the place will look dark, but because the lighting fixtures hasn't been completed. So that will be your air conditioning duct. The air conditioning will place there. No, I think this will be your TV wall rather. So that won't be the air conditioning duct. This will be your TV wall. Your TV and things will be placed on this wall, and your chairs and things will be around here like that. And the stairs that goes to the top there. And that is the control board for your electricity control board. So everything is being fixed very rapidly. I'm sure by the time you come here to take a view of the property, everything will be fixed. The POP works looks really nice here. If the lighting fixtures are completed, it will look really nice. Really huge living area. And you have your dining area just behind the living area. So Probably your lighting fixture will be here and your dining table will be somewhere here. That will be really nice. And this is your guest bath or your powder room, as they choose to call it. The sanitary ware hasn't been fixed yet, but your sanitary ware will be fixed here. And that is your guest bath. You probably have some table here with family pictures and things. The decoration, there are a lot of ideas if you want to go all out. And the tiles here are really nice, quality Spanish tiles here, really nice ones. And this is your laundry area. Most houses nowadays, when they are doing the construction, they make sure to include the laundry area. And this is one bedroom, good size bedroom here. This is a really good size bedroom. You have the ceiling, high ceiling, and this will be your wardrobe. The wardrobe will fix for you. So the wardrobe will fix from top to down. So huge wardrobe we place here for you. And this is the bath. The sanitary ware in the bath hasn't been fixed yet. Everything has been bought. They are just fixing them one after the other. You know, when you are putting such a house together, you need to take your time and put the things together properly. Okay. So you have your kitchen, huge kitchen here, very huge kitchen. It's not those kitchen that will be squeezed or anything like that. Huge, nice one here. All the cabinetry will be fixed. Everything has been bought already. They are here to fix it with water heater in the kitchen. Very nice one here. So you have a very huge kitchen here. See that? Okay. Then there is a door through the kitchen that goes to the back of the house. So this door leads to the back of the house. There's a balcony there. I think I didn't show you, but you get the idea. And this is the pantry or the kitchen store. Yeah, a good size kitchen store. If your kitchen is this huge, then your kitchen store must be large as well, or else it won't make sense. So you have your kitchen here. Let's go. I've shown you one bedroom. So one bedroom is down and 3 bedrooms are at the top. That's how it was designed. 4-bedroom house going at a really nice price. You have the lighting fixtures on the stairs, the staircase here. So when that lighting fixture is completed, it will look really nice. And you have your metallic rail. Looks really nice here. So look at that. Wow. You have your kids running up and down these stairs. Very good for the family. I really like what they did to the staircase here. Some staircase you have it, this thing is not fixed there, but this one, it makes sure that the staircase, the edges are not sharp and it doesn't hurt people when they are climbing the stairs. I've gone to some houses where when the staircase was constructed, or when the tiles were placed on the staircase, they didn't put this thing on it and what that resulted in is that the staircases, the edges are very sharp, and if you are not careful, it could hurt you. So this is the landing at the top. You have some small nook here where you could put some decorative fixtures here, or like a flower pot or something here to be really nice here at the top here. So that door leads to the balcony. That's the front of the house, but we'll use the entry through the master bedroom, but you can use this door to the balcony like that. And some lighting fixtures will be placed here, make this whole place look very nice. Okay. And the stairs too is very gentle. I should say that. The whole place is wired for CCTV cameras, and there will be electric fencing around the whole area. You know, you cannot be too careful with your security. This is the second bedroom, or the first bedroom on the second floor, and you have your washroom here. The washroom, all the washroom, as I said, the sanitary wares have been purchased already. They just need to be fixed. So since the tiles have been completed, the tiling have been completed, the sanitary wares will be fixed as soon as possible. So you have your wardrobe in that corner there. a very huge one, a very huge wardrobe placed in that corner. And let's look at the third bedroom. As I said, it's a 4-bedroom house, so this is the third bedroom. Huge bedroom here. Look at that. All the rooms are really good size rooms. You could put a king size bed here and you have no problem at all. So that area is for your wardrobe. The wardrobe will be fixed. It's included in the price, so you shouldn't worry at all. Everything will be fixed for you. And this is your bedroom, and that is the washroom. Similar thing as the other one. So let's look at the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom, I should say. And I like the view of the master bedroom. So before we enter the master bedroom, this is the master bath, a jacuzzi. So in the corner here will be your stand-up shower, and I think your WC and things will be placed here. Your basin will be placed here, and then that will be the jacuzzi. So a jacuzzi will be placed in the corner there, and everything will be constructed before you come. Okay, so let's look at this master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Look at that. That is a very large master bedroom here with the lighting fixtures that will be put in place. The AC will be fixed. Everything will be fixed for you. I mean, this place is ready to move in as soon as you make purchase. It's ready to move in quickly as possible. That is your master bedroom. So probably your bed will be somewhere in the corner there, or probably on this wall. I think this wall will be the best option for the bed. So your bed will be in between the windows here, and then you have your switches and things by the bed. Now I think this will be the best option for the bed, and your AC will be at the top there, and maybe some TV or something will be there. And this from the wall there to this wall, this whole place will be your wardrobe. So a huge oversized wardrobe will be placed from there all the way to this place, from top to down. Huge oversized wardrobe. That will be very interesting. I mean, I'm not sure you can fix all your clothing into that. And that's a huge oversized window overlooking the compound. So that is your compound there. And as I said, the road is fully tarred. So all the way from the central business district to Kwabenya, in front of this house, the road is fully tarred. And then let's look at the balcony. So you have access to the balcony from the main entrance or through the master bedroom. So this is your balcony. You can stand here. It's a hillside house, so have a very nice view here. Very nice view. And that's the compound, and the glass for the balcony, really nice, has been fixed already with the rails. And the gate is automatic, so when you are coming, you can automatically open the gate. You can automatically open the gate. That's the compound, and that's the hillside view. Really nice one. If you're interested in this property, please give me a call and let's talk business as soon as possible. This property, I'm not sure will stay on the market for long, so there will be no need to delay a lot. Give me a call and let's do business. Thank you. Bye.